Welcome to the first episode of Innovation Evolution, the podcast that takes you on a journey through the fascinating history of inventions and innovations. Today, we're going to explore the story of one of the most fundamental inventions in human history, the wheel. The wheel is such a simple yet profound invention that we take it for granted in our daily lives. But have you ever stopped to think about how the wheel came to be, and how it has impacted human civilization throughout history? Let's dive into the story of the wheel and discover the answers to these questions. The earliest known use of the wheel dates back to around 3500 BCE in ancient Mesopotamia, where it was used for pottery making. However, it wasn't until the Bronze Age that wheels were used for transportation purposes. The first wheels used for transportation were solid wooden discs, and they were used to transport goods over short distances. But it wasn't long before more sophisticated versions of the wheel were developed. The invention of the spoked wheel was a significant development, as it made wheels lighter and more durable. This innovation allowed for faster and more efficient transportation of goods and materials, revolutionizing the way people moved around the world. The impact of the wheel on agriculture was also significant. Before the wheel, plows were pulled by animals or humans, limiting the amount of land that could be cultivated. But with the development of wheeled plows, farmers could cultivate larger areas of land more efficiently, leading to increased food production and the growth of civilizations. The wheel also played a crucial role in the development of architecture and engineering. The invention of the potter's wheel allowed for the creation of more complex pottery shapes, and the invention of the wheelbarrow made it easier to move heavy materials and construct buildings. The wheel continued to evolve over time, with the development of rubber tires, which allowed for smoother rides and increased speed, and the invention of the pneumatic tire, which revolutionized the transportation industry. Today, the wheel is a ubiquitous part of our daily lives, powering everything from bicycles and cars to airplanes and spacecraft. It's hard to imagine what our world would be like without this basic yet revolutionary invention. But the story of the wheel doesn't end there. The wheel continues to evolve, with the development of new technologies like electric cars and self-driving vehicles. The wheel may seem like a simple invention, but it has sparked a chain reaction of innovations that have transformed the way we live and work. So, there you have it, the story of the wheel and how it has shaped human civilization throughout history. Join us next time as we dive into another fascinating invention and the brilliant minds behind it on Innovation Evolution podcast.